Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I thought of sharing the recent information I was aware of regarding the DGI login process, which can be done instantly without using a form. Let's get into the video. Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel for more informative and interesting videos. Also, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends who will get benefited out of it.
DGI is the General Taxes Directorate in Uruguay that administers all the tax-related processes and procedures. DGI Online Services is the link used for filing tax and check all tax-related information and also tax returns information. The usual procedure to get DGI login is to fill a form, send a mail to the DGI and get the login details, or reach to the nearest Abitab to set up your password or reset your password. This process would take some time, but in this video we are going to see how to get DGI login instantly. As a first step, visit your nearest Abitab and they will ask you few details like your phone number, email ID, and they'll complete the registration process there and also ask for some biometric information. I have listed down the step-by-step process what should be done in the Abitab. You'll have to present your scheduler in the Abitab and also they'll ask you details like contact number and mail ID. Please make sure you confirm the mail ID because that is used for the registration process. There are totally 4 procedures that has to be completed as part of getting a DGI login through Abitab. Once you are completed with this Abitab registration process, you are done with the first 2 procedures. This pamphlet will be given in Abitab for your reference. The third step is you will get a mail in your registered mail ID with an activation link, and you just follow the process clicking on the activation link. Like you'll have to set up a password and a PIN for your scheduler number, and that password and PIN will be used for your further DGI login process. The fourth step is you'll have to download an app. This app has to be downloaded from either Play Store or the Apple iOS Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you'll have to link your scheduler to the app by just following the process, opening the app. We are done with all 4 procedures now. Next we'll see how we can log into the DGI. I have given the link for DGI Online Services in the description. So once you click on the link, the login page will be opening, and click on the option that is highlighted on the screen. On the next page, please scroll down and click on the option that is circled out. On the next page, click on Application Mobile, that is nothing but mobile app. Once you click on that, it will ask for your scheduler number. So once you enter your scheduler number, you will get a notification in the mobile app that you have downloaded, and on that notification you will have to authenticate by giving your registered PIN number. So once you have authenticated, you are done with the DGI login process and you will be logged into the DGI Online Services. I have again listed down the step-by-step process of the DGI login that I have explained now. So this is for your reference. App that we have downloaded in our mobile acts as an authenticator app to log into DGI site. The pamphlet given by Abitab will have another side where you can see a link given. That link will have the step-by-step DGI login process. I have given that link in the description too. I have also given in the description the user portal for the Digital Identity Abitab, where you can log in anytime and reset your password or the PIN that you have set.
Thanks for watching the video, friends. I hope this video would have been helpful for you. As I said, please share this video with your friends who will get benefited out of it, and also give a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe my channel to watch more informative and interesting videos. See you in the next video.